If you have ever upgraded your PC, replaced the hard drive, or wanted to set up multiple computers with the same settings, you have probably run into the same issue. How do you copy your entire system, including Windows, apps, files, and everything else without reinstalling everything from the scratch? This is where AOMEI Cloner comes in. It's a reliable and easy to use software designed specifically to handle all your cloning needs. AOMEI Cloner helps you migrate your operating system from an HDD to an SSD or another HDD, clone an entire disk, set up multiple computers with the same configuration, and back up important data by cloning it to another drive. With AOMEI, you can clone any disk or partition in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Launch AOMEI Cloner. In the main interface, you will see 3 cloning options: System Clone, Disk Clone, Partition Clone. For this example, we'll choose System Clone. Step 2. AOMEI Cloner will automatically select your system partition as the source. Simply choose the destination disk where you want to clone your system and click Next. Step 3. You'll now see the operation summary window. Confirm the drive information and click Start Clone. Once the cloning process is complete, go into your BIOS or UEFI settings and set the new disk as the primary boot device. And just like that, your system has been successfully cloned. AOMEI Cloner also includes other helpful features like the ability to clone specific partitions, improve SSD performance through alignment, and even use command line cloning for advanced users who want to automate tasks. It works with all common drive types and connections such as SATA, NVMe, USB, and more, so compatibility is never a problem. You can download AOMEI Cloner from the link given in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and software recommendations. Have any questions about AOMEI Cloner or want to share your experience using it? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.